Struggling to get Facebook working in Chrome? You're not alone. Here's the exact 5-step method to log in instantly. We'll open Chrome, search for Facebook, click the official site, and enter your credentials. Let's go. So first things first, you want to make sure you have Google Chrome open. This is the foundation of everything we're about to do. If you look at your desktop, you should see the Chrome icon. It's that little red, yellow, green, and blue circle. Just double-click it, or if it's already pinned to your taskbar at the bottom of the screen, a single click there will launch it. This might take a second or two to load, depending on your computer, but give it a moment. All right, now that Chrome is open, you're going to see a long white bar at the very top of the window. That's the address bar. And here's a little tip a lot of people don't realize. You don't actually need to search for Facebook on Google first. You can just type directly into that address bar. So go ahead and click on it. Now, just type the word Facebook and press Enter on your keyboard. No need to type the full web address or anything fancy. Just Facebook will do the trick. So now that you've hit Enter, you're going to see a page full of search results. This is where it gets a little tricky because there are often a lot of different links. Some of them are ads, and some might be older versions of the site. What you're looking for is the one that says Facebook, log in or sign up, right under the link text. It should show the official Facebook website address, which is just facebook.com. That's the one you want. Click on that link. And just so you know, this tutorial was created with a very careful step-by-step approach to make sure you get to the right place every single time. Now we're on the actual Facebook login page. This is the part you've been waiting for. You'll see two empty boxes in the middle of the screen. The top one says email or phone number. So go ahead and click inside that box. Then type in the email address or phone number that you used when you first signed up for Facebook. Take your time with this. Make sure there are no typos. It's surprisingly easy to miss a letter or a number. Okay, now that you've got your email or phone number in there, it's time for the next box. Look just below that and you'll see a field labeled password. Click inside that box and carefully type your Facebook password. If you're worried about making a mistake, you can click the little I icon at the end of the box to show what you're typing. Just remember to hide it again when you're done, especially if you're using a shared computer. And here's the really important part, the final step. Once you've double-checked that both your email and password are correct, look for the big blue button that says Login. It's hard to miss. Just click that button and give it a moment to process. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for Facebook to verify your information and log you in. So now you should be logged in. You'll see your news feed, which is kind of your home base on Facebook. This is where you'll see posts from your friends, pages you follow, and maybe some ads. Take a look around. You can scroll up and down to catch up on what everyone's been up to. Once you're comfortable, you can start exploring. At the top of the page, there's a box that says, "What's on your mind?" That's where you can type a status update. If you see a post you like, you can click the thumbs up icon to like it, or you can click the speech bubble to leave a comment. And if you see a friend's post, you can click the share button to pass it along to your own friends. And that's really it. You're now using Facebook in Google Chrome. It's a straightforward process once you know the exact steps. Remember, just open Chrome, type Facebook in the address bar, click the official link, and enter your login details. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.